Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this week's video is a super easy and healthy drink recipe that will keep you hydrated for the rest of the summer. If you want to learn how to make my watermelon green tea refresher, just keep watching. Alright guys, so this recipe is super simple. All you're going to need is some green tea, a half a cup of watermelon, and a lemon. That's literally it. You're also going to need a blender just because it's going to come in handy to crush up your watermelon. You can probably use a food processor as well. So I'm going to juice my lemon. That's the first thing I'm doing. I like to have nice, ripe lemons to juice, and I like having fresh lemons, but if you don't have that on hand, just use whatever. The one thing I love about this recipe is that it's so customizable. Next, I added in my brewed and chilled green tea. By the way, I used about 2 cups of this, and don't mind my mess, I'm horrible at pouring things. So I added in my lemon juice and watermelon and blended that all up. By the way, if you guys want to add a sweetener to this, feel free. I didn't, just because I like how it is and it's super good on its own. But this is, again, it's really customizable. You can add sugar, sweet and low, stevia, whatever you want, and I know it would taste great. So this next step is optional, but I highly recommend letting your refresher sit in the fridge overnight. Your patience will be rewarded, I promise. It is so good. I gave mine a good shake before I poured it over my ice, and this drink is absolutely amazing. It is perfect to enjoy on a nice and hot summer day, which is exactly what I did. Me and Corey went to the lake, and we also brought Dash, and it was just absolutely amazing to have my drink. I was super hydrated all day long. Seriously, who needs Starbucks when you can make amazing drinks like this at home? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please let me know on Instagram or Twitter if you try out this recipe, what you think of it. I would love to see your pictures and all that stuff. Anyways, guys, I just wanted to come on here really quick and say a huge thank you to all of you guys. I felt so much love and support my last few videos, and I am just so blessed to call you guys my family. I'm so thankful for all of you who watch my videos, who enjoy them. That's exactly why I make them. I make them for your enjoyment so they can bring you joy in your day, and hopefully you get something out of it, even if it's just a positive attitude. Anyways, thank you so much again for watching this video. If you are not subscribed, be sure to subscribe to join the family. I'll see you guys in my next one. Stay beautiful. Mwah. Bye.